Okay, good afternoon, guys, or good morning. This is my YouTube channel. So when I post videos, you'll open it from here. So I'm just going to show you. So once you've got your OnShape registered, your account, you can just click on OnShape. I normally just ask the um, internet to remember my password. So once you've got an account, you can just sign in, and then the following page will open. It just takes a little time. And I didn't press the sign in, so you'll get this page. So when you start with a new drawing, you're just going to click on OnShape and then create, and then we're going to create a new document. So what I'm going to call the document your name and your surname. So I'm just going to comma and then your surname, so that when you share it with me, I know whose it is. And this first one we'll call it the 500mm by 19 box section, and that's the first part for the for your steering axle. So it takes a little time to open. Now when you open it, you'll see a few things. The first thing that we need to do, and that's important, is to click on the document menu, go to workspace units, and then change it. See, default length is in inches, which is an American measurement, and then we'll just change it to millimeters. Give it a green tick. Then, just like a Word document, you'll have all your drawings on the top. Here's our workspace, and that dot in the middle, that's the origin. So that's where the computer knows where to start the drawing from. So it's good to always start your drawings from the origin. So first we're going to go to sketch. What a lot of people do is they just click on the tick there. Don't do that. Click on a plane that you want to sketch. So let's choose our front plane, and then we're going to give it a green tick, and then you go, see, I did that mistake now. So you go front plane and don't give it a green tick. Then your tools will appear here on the top, just like a Word document. So I'm going to click on my rectangle tool. I'm going to hover over the dot, and when that little T appears, I'm just going to drag it away and click on it again. Now I'm going to put in 19. You just type in 19, enter, type in 19 and enter. And now I've got a little flat block. So if I click on my right hand clicker of my mouse, or the right hand button of my mouse, I can move it around to see how it looks. But what I want to do now is I want to extrude it. I want to make it from a flat bit of material to a solid. And you can see a little demonstration there. And if you hover along over the drawing, it says what it does as well. Plus it gives you a shortcut. So extrude can be Shift E, and it gives you an explanation of what it does. Now we know the longer bit of our axle or steering axle is 500 mils long. So we're going to delete that and just put a 500 in there. Because we set it to mils, we don't have to put next to it. So that's our the long part of our front axle drawn there. And when you want to minimize or maximize it or zoom in and out, you just use your scroller wheel, and my right hand button wheel, mouse button, you can use it to move around, and your left hand plus shift. So I'm going to move it around. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hollow it out. And what I'm doing with that is I'm using the shell tool. Now see, it comes up with 2.5, and as you would have seen in our materials video, we said it's 2 mils, and then give it a surface to shell out. Then you're going to give it a tick, and it's shelled it out. But what the shell tool does is it just makes it like a hollow container. So at the back it will still be not open, but I'll show you in the next video how we're going to fix that bit. Now we need to get our fillets or our round bits on the end. So there's a tool here that's called the filleting tool. That's also a shortcut to it, and you click on that, and then we're going to make our fillet only 3 mils, and then we're going to click on each of these exterior lines that we want to fillet, and then I'm going with my right scroller wheel, and then I'm clicking on that one, and I'm giving it a green tick. Now that's already filleted. We might change our fillet maybe a little bit smaller, maybe about 2 mils or 1 mil, but that's our square tubing drawn up in OnShape. Now when you finish with this, you can just click on share. I won't be able to do it, but you can just, if you see here in emails, you can put my email in, ru@cami.school. We'll probably won't be able .nz, and then I will automatically, I can open it from my side as well, and you'll see when you're on this page your name will appear there. And let's see how we go with this. If you have trouble, I'm just going to cancel the sharing. If you have trouble creating an account, please follow the Word document about OnShape and sign up on OnShape and have a go at this program. It takes a few times sometimes to get used to the program, but it's quite good. This program is written by the same people who wrote SolidWorks, which is quite a powerful engineering program to design stuff on.